Hello, it's Raegan Thorp with the Raegan Thorp Real Estate Group, and this week we are going to talk about the top 5 real estate trends for 2026. The U.S. housing market is entering a new chapter, and one that is marked by stability, creativity, and a renewed focus on well-being. After the rapid price growth and unpredictable swings of the 2020s, the next 5 years are shaping up to be more balanced, thoughtful, and design forward. Here are the top 5 trends expected to define the housing market. The top real estate trend is a more stable, slow-paced housing market, which would be nice for a minute. After years of record-breaking appreciation, experts predict that housing prices will settle into a more moderate growth pattern. The national average annual appreciation rate is expected to hover between 3 and 5%, which is a far cry from the booming years of 2020 to 2023. This stability means fewer dramatic price spikes and drops, just steady, sustainable growth. For buyers, this is good news. It's a healthier, more predictable market for them. So for real estate trend number 2, high interest rates that stick around. Mortgage rates are projected to remain elevated through 2027, with a 30-year fixed rate averaging between 6% and 6.5%. While these rates may trend a little bit lower to 5.5, the days of ultra-low borrowing costs are behind us, at least for now. Buyers may need to get a little creative with financing, while sellers really need to focus on pricing strategically to appeal to a small pool of qualified buyers. Trend number 3 is going to be a strong rental market. With higher home prices and mortgage rates limiting affordability, rental demand is going to remain robust through 2029. However, thanks to oversupply of apartments in many markets, rental growth is expected to stay modest, 2 to 3% annually. Interestingly enough, single-family rentals are expected to outperform apartments as families are seeking more space, more privacy, and outdoor living options without the long-term commitment of home ownership. The design trend is coming in at number 4. We're focusing on comfort and customization. According to Zillow, in 2026, we will usher in comfort-driven design, focused on personal well-being, warmth, and individuality. Minimalism is out and bold colors, handcrafted details are in. The standout trend is called color drenching. This is covering an entire room. Walls, trim, ceiling, and even the floors in one saturated hue. Zillow reports that this mention of color drenching in listings has jumped an incredible 149% year over year. Expect homeowners to trade that beige and agreeable gray for rich blues, warm terracottas, and deep greens that create a cozy, character-filled space. And finally, the real estate trend coming in at number 5, wellness features become a must-have. Wellness-inspired living is no longer a luxury, it is a lifestyle expectation. Zillow reports that listings mention wellness features up to 33% more now. Think spa bathrooms, home gyms, saunas, hot tubs, and even air quality systems. As self-care becomes a bigger priority, buyers are searching for homes that nurture this health and happiness. From serene, spa-like bathrooms to mindful design details, wellness has become a must-have for many buyers. Over the next 5 years, the housing market is set to balance stability with creativity. Homeowners and buyers alike will be focused on comfort, wellness, and authenticity, both in how they live and how they invest. Whether you are planning to buy, sell, or simply refresh your space, please reach out so that I can help you further discuss and understand how these trends can help you make the most of your investment. Raegan Thorp Real Estate Group.